cabin tour of 1382 aboard the Carnival Breeze. So this is a deluxe Oceanview room. So when you enter, we have a bed. Of course, we have an Oceanview room. You can see the water out there right now. There's going to be an additional pull down here. Then we have two pull downs. So there's a pull down here and a couch made into a bed. There is a curtain divider. Going backwards, of course, you have your safe. Just make sure there's nothing in there. And no toothbrush. That's good. So everything's looking promising. Here's our cooler. So let's hope that thing stays nice and cold to keep our drinks cold. There is, of course, just the two outlets in here. But guys, so here is the bonus of this room. Let's get this thing cooled down. There is the first bathroom, which is your traditional Carnival bathroom. So you have your shampoo, shower gel, and of course your big mirror, all your shelving space. But in this cabin, you get a second bathroom. So this one is considered like a half bath, but a weird half bath. So you get a full bathtub with a shower and a sink. There is no toilet in this one, but this helps out when you are cruising with kids, because it definitely helps have two showers to get ready. And of course, lots of closet space. There's two hanging spots. This one is a full hanging with lots of hangers. Then we have another full hanging with lots of hangers. Another full hanging. And then of course the life jackets and all that type of stuff. So I'm gonna go back here quick. This one should have the shelves that will flip down. So if you want to turn this into shelves, you can do that as well, which is what we will probably do. So guys, again, this is a deluxe Oceanview room aboard the Carnival Breeze.